Juan and Maria, two lovebirds on their honeymoon?
¿Todo bien?
Sí. Ellos son durmiendo, todo tranquilo.
Not exactly. You could say they're in the import business. Their specialty? Exotic birds. Juan and Maria are wildlife smugglers, an illicit industry which generates $20 billion a year worldwide.
No, te dije que no, por favor.
Juan's not thinking about birds right now.
Ey, pero por favor.
But Maria's playing hard to catch.
Mejor descansa.
After a 3-hour nap, Juan wakes up a very sick man.
Yo tengo un dolor, ya no fue.
Avian flu, or more commonly known as bird flu, mutated and was able to infect humans. And this gentleman, he began to experience typical flu-like symptoms: fever, sore throat, coughing, sneezing. He developed a particularly lethal version of this. His lungs filled up with fluid and he died of a viral pneumonia.
Juan caught birds. Then he caught bird flu. In the end, a life of crime caught up with Juan, and his life flew the coop.